morning, guys. Another day as a Poplin delivery driver. I have an order at the same house that I picked up and dropped off yesterday. They put out another order, so I'm on my way to, what's going on with this camera? I'm on my way to pick up that order, and then I'm on my way to work. So let's get started. Okay guys, I picked up the order, and you probably saw me standing out there for a while, but I don't know. Hold on, let me back up. Let's back up first. This street is so tight. Hold for a second, guys. It's kind of dark over here, no sunlight, but anyway, the Poplin app has been acting up for months now. It takes multiple tries to upload a picture of what you're picking up, what you're dropping up, and so most of the time it takes me 3 or 4 times to upload this picture. So that's why I was standing out there for a while instead of just snapping and picking up the laundry and going. But that's what's been going on. And I contacted the support yesterday, and all they said is tech has been working on it. But this has been going on for months. But anyway, right now I'm on my way to work, to my full-time job. So stop the video here because of HIPAA laws. I can't show you too much because I work home health, and that's working in someone's home. Sorry about the sunlight. The lighting is not that good. But anyway, yes, I'm just waiting in the car until it's time for me to go into work. Today I work 9 to 5. So I'm just going to stay in the car and probably just look at some TikTok videos and whatever. I already listened to my scriptures this morning. Anyway, guys, you be blessed, and I guess I'll see you guys in the video unless I add some more on later. Anyway, I'll see you guys later.